If your cooking style is minimal effort, maximum crunch, an air fryer is basically your spirit appliance. It turns sad freezer food into golden greatness, reheats pizza like it's brand new, and saves you from firing up the whole oven. In this video to the best air fryers, you'll find top picks for quick dinners, snack attacks, and everything in between. No chef hat required. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Chefman Compact Airfryer, our pick for best budget air fryer. If you want crispy, golden food without paying fancy kitchen influencer prices, the Chefman Compact Airfryer is your budget-friendly hero. It's made for real life. Quick meals, small kitchens, and that moment when you're hungry now, not after a 40-step recipe. You can dial in your own time and temperature using the digital touch controls, or hit one of the 4 cooking presets when your brain is off duty. It's the sweet spot for 2 to 4 people, whether you're feeding roommates, family, or just your future self with leftovers. Here's the fun part. 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry technology. When your food is almost done, you can crank the heat for the last 2 minutes to chase that "did this come from a restaurant?" crunch. Perfect for fries, chicken tenders, and anything that deserves extra crisp. Even better, you get healthy cooking with little to no oil, so you can satisfy the craving without feeling like you need to apologize to your salad later. And if you're the type who forgets to shake the basket, shake notifications beep halfway through to keep your results crispy instead of suspiciously soggy. It also nails the space-saving game. A sleek, compact design that still gives you a 4-quart capacity without swallowing your countertop. Cleanup stays easy too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and rack, because the only thing that should be messy is your sauce situation. Number 4. COSORI TurboBlaze, our pick for best fast cooking air fryer. If you're tired of waiting for crispy to happen, the COSORI TurboBlaze is the air fryer that actually understands your schedule. Its TurboBlaze technology spins a 3,600 RPM fan and cranks heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you get that crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside finish without turning dinner into an all-night event. You're not locked into basic settings either. With COSORI's 5-fan speed system and precise 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control, you can fine-tune results like a kitchen DJ, more airflow for extra crisp, gentler heat for tender bites, and fewer "why is this half done?" surprises. The payoff is even cooking and better texture, whether you're doing wings, veggies, or a reheated slice that deserves a second chance. Cleanup also gets an upgrade. The basket and crisper tray use a premium ceramic coating that's non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant, so food releases easily and you spend less time scraping and more time eating. The 6-quart square basket is wide and deep, which means you can cook family-sized portions without sacrificing counter space. It's big where it counts, compact where it matters, and for something that powerful, it stays surprisingly civilized. TurboBlaze runs at under 53 decibel, even on the highest fan speed, so your kitchen stays calm while your food gets loud and crispy. You cook faster, dial in better results, and still keep your counter and your sanity under control. Still searching for the perfect air fryer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus, our pick for best large capacity air fryer. If you're tired of cooking in tiny batches like you're running a crispy food factory, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus comes in loud with a 10-quart capacity and big feed everyone confidence. It's built for families, side dishes that actually fit, and meal prep that doesn't take your whole evening hostage. You're not just getting an air fryer, you're getting 7 cooking functions in one. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie. And since it needs little to no preheat time, it's perfect for those nights when you're hungry and your patience has already clocked out. The smart programs make life easier with 6 one-touch options, so you can bounce from crunchy rotisserie chicken to soft sugar cookies without doing math or guessing temperatures. You press a button, it does the work, and you get to take the credit. For that golden crunch, Even Crisp technology delivers the goods. Crispy results with up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. So you get the wow texture without turning your kitchen into a grease zone. And because you're the type who checks food like it's a text message you can't ignore, the large front window lets you sneak a peek without opening the door and messing with the heat. This is the large capacity air fryer that keeps up with your appetite, your schedule, and your need for crispy perfection, without the batch cooking drama. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, our pick for best air fryer toaster oven. If your kitchen routine involves bouncing between a toaster, an oven, and an air fryer like it's a cardio workout, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is your one appliance to rule them all. It's a stainless steel countertop powerhouse with 1800 watts of get-it-done energy and a roomy 1 cubic foot interior, big enough to handle real meals, not just snacks and optimism. What makes it feel genuinely smart is the Element IQ system. With 5 independent quartz elements and clever temperature control, it guides heat exactly where it's needed, so you're not stuck with cold spots, burnt edges, or that awkward "is this even cooked" moment. Plus, there's an interior oven light, because you like checking progress without opening the door and letting all the heat escape like a bad decision. When you're craving crunch, the air fry setting pairs high heat with super convection, a 2-speed fan that pushes hot air fast and evenly. And when you're feeling productive, the dehydrate mode can run up to 4 trays at once, perfect for fruit, veggies, or homemade snacks that make you feel weirdly accomplished. With 13 cooking functions – toast, bagel, pizza, proof, cookies, slow cook, reheat, and more – you're not buying an oven. You're buying time, flexibility, and fewer appliances fighting for your counter space. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Ninja Foodi DZ550, our pick for best air fryer overall. If dinner at your place feels like a juggling act, main dish in one hand, side dish in the other, and please be done at the same time on your mind, the Ninja Foodi DZ550 is your sanity saver. You get 2 separate air frying baskets, so your chicken and your fries don't have to fight for the same real estate. The star of the show is the Smart Cook system with the Foodi Smart Thermometer. You choose your doneness, from rare to well done, and it helps you hit it without hovering over the basket like a nervous coach. No guesswork, no cut it open and hope for the best moments. Then there's dual zone technology, which is basically the finish strong button for busy people. Use Smart Finish to cook 2 foods 2 ways and still have them land on the plate together, or tap Match Cook to copy settings across both zones when you want the full 10-quart capacity working like a team. When you're not using those modes, IQ Boost smartly shifts power between baskets to keep things fast, enough to handle a 6-pound whole chicken plus a side without turning your evening into an all-night cooking marathon. And because you're not always in an air fry mood, you also get 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. In short, you cook more, stress less, and eat sooner. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best air fryers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which air fryer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.